On 28 and 29, we're finding the value of x. First of all, number 28, the triangle's a little bit light here, but here's the sides that are given, and we're given this exterior angle is 100, and the interior angles are 2x degrees and 3x degrees. So you have two different options in setting up your equation to solve for x. One is using the theorem that I briefly mentioned on number 27 that says that the exterior angle, which is a linear pair to the interior angle, has to equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. So remote means far away. So no, we're not talking about the angle that is a linear pair with it. We're talking about the two that it's not a linear pair with. So this 100 must equal the sum of the two remote interior angles. So the 2x and 3x. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. And so when we divide both sides by 5, we would get our value of x to be 20. Now that's not the only way that you could work this, so if you forget the exterior angle theorem, you can use the fact that you know a linear pair has to be supplementary, which means this angle inside has to be 80 degrees. They have to add up to be 180 together. We can also now use the Triangle Sum Theorem, which says these three angles of a triangle have to add up to be 180. So we would have 2x plus 3x plus 80 equals 180. It's really the same equation. If we subtracted 80 from both sides here, we would get the 2x plus 3x equals 100. So we can combine our like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x. And then we can undo the addition by subtracting 80 from both sides. And then we have 5x equals 100, just like we do here. Dividing by 5 gives us x equals 20. On number 29, we're given two exterior angles. One is 130 degrees, one is 110 degrees. So to find the value of x, I need to know these two interior angles. We have two pair of linear pairs given. So we know linear pairs have to be supplementary. So if this is 130 degrees, we can subtract it from 180 to get this has to be 50 degrees. If this is 110 degrees, subtracted from 180, leaves 70 degrees for this angle. So now I can use the Triangle Sum Theorem. The three angles inside the triangle, the 50, the 70, and the x, have to add up to be 180 together. So combining our like terms, 50 and 70 is 120. And then we can subtract 120 from both sides to get our value of x to be 60 degrees.